Welcome to Ideas with Bee, where people share their interesting business projects. I'm Bee, and if I like your business idea, we can work together. But first, here are some words you need to know.
Quality. Downtown. Shop. Guarantee.
Hi B, I'm Bruce. I have a new business called Phone Fix Fast. We fix defective phones when other stores are closed.
How does this work exactly?
You know when your phone breaks on a Sunday and the phone store is closed, customer service is unavailable? We're open on weekends and evenings.
Okay, but do I have to bring my broken phone to you? Where's your shop?
We have 3 shops in the city, one downtown, one in the north, and one near the big park, all open until 10 at night.
That's interesting. But here's my question. Is it really expensive? Weekend service usually costs more.
It's about $30 more than regular shops charge, but you don't have to wait 2 or 3 days.
$30 more isn't too bad. What about the quality? Do you guarantee your work?
Yes, we guarantee our work for 30 days. If something goes wrong with our repair, we fix it again for free.
You know, I dropped my phone last weekend and had to wait until Monday. I hate waiting. Your phone fix fast idea sounds perfect. Let's work together. Thanks for listening to Ideas with Bee. See you next time.